Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 6th. I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, and I'm still not even really convinced the wave 3 is over. I still think it has a little bit more upside potential, maybe getting us up to that 161.8, right around maybe the 2540, 2550 area before we make a wave 4 and go back up again for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. So that would make this a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and I think we're in that wave 5 of wave 3 right now, which I think the minimum this should go is the 50% fib extension right around the 2500, or possibly the 61.8 right around the 2550, 2540 area. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is the wave 3. The wave 4 ends right here, and then this is a 1, this is a 2, a 3, a 4, and we're probably in that wave 5 right now. I don't think the uptrend is over. I think it is very likely to go up at least to the 50%, maybe even to 61.8. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So with all that in mind, I am definitely still looking for longs. It did try to go down and break structure yesterday, but it failed to break structure, so that means I'm definitely still primarily looking for longs. To me, it definitely did make 1, 2, 3 ways down to a Fibonacci level, so hopefully now we're already back into an uptrend and this is going to keep on trending up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was just saying, I'm definitely looking for longs because it has not been able to break structure to the downside on the higher time frames yet. Definitely does look like impulsive down. Hopefully it's a wave A, 1, 2, 3 waves up. Wave B, definitely impulsive down again. Wave C, 78% Fibonacci level, nice big engulfing move to the upside. Hopefully this right here is actually a crutch into this move up right here, and what happens is this is a 1, this is a 2, and hopefully it just keeps on trending up for a wave 3 to complete that bigger pattern that I was showing on the higher time frames, probably bringing us up to around the 2500, maybe 2540 area to finish off this wave 5 of wave 3, like I was showing and explaining on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.